You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly once and for all. So, it is the name of a shape of pasta in Italy, but it's also, I think, more famous for being the name of an Argentine comic strip, so from Argentina. So the Italian pronunciation is as Mafalda, the Spanish pronunciation, or Argentine, if you wish, Argentine Spanish pronunciation, Mafalda, they are the same. So Mafalda. Now in English, it's not pronounced exactly Mafalda, rather Mafalda, Mafalda. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.